Hey everyone, today I'm gonna show you how to enable or disable AI photo editing on Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 7. So open your settings, scroll down, click onto Galaxy AI, scroll down, then showing it to Photo Assist, and you just make sure to turn on this option. I'm already turned on, that's mean it enable, and make sure turn on this. Go back, for example, like I'm open any photo. Okay, click on the pen option, long press to select this image, click on, and long press to select this image, and I'm easily move anywhere. Okay, press on to generate. Okay, or if you want to add an image, click on, okay, press on again, click on, and look at the right corner, tap on three dot and place any photo in this place. Okay, select, press on done. Okay, and I'm easily adjust image in here. Okay, so that's how you can easily use this. Or if you want to turn off, simply open settings again, go to Galaxy AI and Photo Assist, make sure to turn off.